Who are Python programmers? They're the versatile problem solvers of the modern tech world, writing clean, readable code that powers everything from simple automation scripts to complex AI systems, web applications, data pipelines, and scientific research. Python's philosophy, simple is better than complex, and readability counts, makes it one of the most beginner-friendly yet powerful languages in existence. Working across every industry, Python developers design, implement, test, debug, and maintain software. Their day-to-day includes writing scripts, building web backends, analyzing data, training machine learning models, automating repetitive tasks, and collaborating with teams using version control. So how do you get started? Learning Python is like learning a new language. Start with vocabulary and grammar, then practice through real conversation, or in this case, real projects. Begin with the basics: variables, data types, control structures, functions, and object-oriented programming. Then pick up core tools like pip for package management, virtual environments, and an editor like VS Code. From there, move to real projects, command line tools, web scrapers, simple games, or data visualizers. Great resources include Coursera's Python for Everybody, Free Code Camp, the official Python documentation, and automate the boring stuff with Python. Practice on LeetCode, contribute to open source projects, and build small things like a portfolio site or a Discord bot. At the core, Python developers master the fundamentals: data types like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets, plus advanced features like generators, decorators, and context managers. They understand object-oriented and functional programming, along with solid error handling, logging, and debugging. Python's batteries-included philosophy means powerful built-in tools are always within reach. Modules like OS, sys, datetime, JSON, collections, and asyncio for asynchronous programming. Mastering the standard library is often what separates a good Python developer from a great one, because so much can be done without ever installing a third-party package. Beyond the basics, Python's ecosystem of libraries and frameworks is what makes it so versatile. For web development, there's Django for full-featured apps, and Flask or Fast API for lightweight, modern APIs. For data science, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and SciPy turn raw numbers into insight. For machine learning and AI, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face power everything from recommendation engines to large language models. For automation, Selenium, requests, and Beautiful Soup handle web scraping and browser tasks. And for desktop apps, there's Tkinter and PyQt. Whatever the problem, there's almost always a Python library built to solve it. Writing code is only part of the job. Professional Python developers follow solid software engineering practices, version control with Git and GitHub, testing with PyTest, code quality tools like Black and MyPy, and dependency management with Poetry or ppenv. As they grow, they move into advanced territory: concurrency and parallelism, with threading, multiprocessing, and asyncio. Clean architecture and design patterns, working with databases through Skill Alchemy or MongoDB, and deploying applications with Docker, Kubernetes, or serverless platforms like AWS Lambda. Security best practices and performance profiling round out the toolkit of a seasoned engineer. But technical skill alone doesn't make a great developer. Problem-solving means breaking complex tasks into manageable steps and choosing the right tool for the job. Attention to detail helps you catch edge cases before they become bugs. Clear communication, through documentation, code reviews, and conversations with non-technical stakeholders, keeps teams aligned. And because the Python ecosystem evolves constantly, with new versions, libraries, and AI tools appearing every year, continuous learning isn't optional, it's part of the craft. So where does all this show up in the real world? Everywhere. Python powers major websites and APIs. Early giants like Instagram, Pinterest, and Dropbox were built on it. It drives data analysis and visualization that turns raw numbers into business decisions. It's the backbone of machine learning and generative AI, from image recognition to recommendation systems. It automates repetitive tasks like file organization and email sending. It runs scientific research in astronomy, biology, and physics. It powers DevOps pipelines, cybersecurity tools, simple 2D games with Pygame, and even embedded hardware through MicroPython. Python is one of the most in-demand and versatile programming languages today. Its clean syntax, massive ecosystem, and welcoming community make it ideal for beginners, while remaining powerful enough for cutting-edge work in AI, data science, and large-scale systems. Whether you want to automate daily tasks, build the next big web app, analyze complex data, or develop intelligent systems, Python gives you the tools to turn ideas into reality. Start small, build consistently, contribute to open source, and keep experimenting. Stay curious, write code every day, and you'll build a rewarding career that powers innovation across nearly every industry. Happy coding!